We are now starting the topic of transformation for P1 paper. In this topic, we will give the different functions and how they are being transferred to the other figure with the properties one by one. And we are going to select now, as we have already explained it in the topic of transformation, the all details. Now we will solve the questions for that topic. So we are starting the question number 1. The curve y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4 is translated by 2, 0 as a matrix. For that, find and simplify the equation of the translated curve. Part B. The curve y is equal to f of x is transformed to the functions of the graph y is equal to 3f of minus x. Describe fully the two single transformations which have been combined to give the resulting transformation. So, since the curve is y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4, and it is being translated with respect to the factors 2, 0. So for the first part, this 2, 0, in other word, means it would be x minus 2 and 0. So it is basically 2 units, it is translated towards the left of that y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4. So y is equal to, where it is x, you replace it by x minus 2 whole square plus 3 into x minus 2 plus 4. Or in other words, if the point P is xy, then the image of that will be x minus 2 and y minus 0. So this is going to be related to this part with this equation, and this will become x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 3x minus 6 plus 4, and that thing will be equal to x square minus x and plus 2. So this is the new translation of that curve with respect to the factor of the matrix 2, 0 there. So this we are going to find out in the first part of that question there. For the second part, y equal to 3f of minus x. So here they are going to use two factors and two transformations one by one. First of all, let's say y equal to 3f of x. This, in other word, means that it is basically a f of x, which is according to the transformation xy with this transformation as x and ay. So in simple words, when 3 is multiplied outside the function, it is basically the translation on the y-axis with respect to this part. Not translation, it is a stretching with respect to the y-axis there. So we can write this thing as stretching with respect to y-axis. Or this equation will become y equal to 3f of x there. So every value of y is going to be multiplied by 3 times, and it is basically the stretching with respect to the y-axis for this portion there. Second part is that y equal to f of minus x. This means it is basically the reflection due to the y-axis which is according to this transformation. If the point P is xy, then our image will be minus x and y. So all values of x will be negative of that values of x and y is still same there. So this means it is the reflection due to the y-axis of that. So this y is equal to 3f of minus x means there are two transformations in this part. First, it is the stretching with the scale factor 3 along y-axis, and in the second part minus x means it is a reflection due to the y-axis, and the form of the transformation for this part is xy is going to be changed to the minus x and y there. So this is question number 1 of this transformation topic there.